hail the next people in line, please?
Hello, we are running an executive delay. Our flight is leaving in less than hour.
Please hand me your passport and your ticket. I will see I can get your unpaid. You in luck that the flight has been delayed, and so you make it.
That get new.
Here you boarding pass.
Now please place the luggage. You would like to check on the scale one bag at a time?
We are just checking one bag. These two are carry-on.
Here are your passport and boarding pass, as well as your baggage claim ticket. You will be departing from guest flight A.
Thanks.
Attention please, passenger of flight 244 to Tokyo. We at Popeye Airline apologize for the delay. And right now I'm happy to report that we are ready to begin boarding. At this time, I would like to invite all first class passengers to come to the gate. Thank you.
Will, I can't believe you make it.
I know. And with a few minutes to spare. We will now begin boarding row 14 to 30. Pilaf and you have passport and boarding pass ready. Good morning. I hope you will enjoy your flight.
Okay.
Thanks.
Welcome to Popeye Airline. May I see you boarding pass? You're in set 32A and 32B. Just drop down this aisle seat and they will be on your left. Thanks.
That's my luggage. I think my bag is probably lost. The bag is out of stock now.
Then go contact the staff at the lot at Brown Center.
Hello, Madam. How can I help you?
We will notify you of the lost luggage.
My friend is back disappeared after getting off the plane.
From flight 244 to from Vancouver to Tokyo.
We would like to know the detail of the luggage, please.
My luggage is the pink one. I put your red sticker on top of my luggage too.
Okay, Madam. Initially, the bag is not present at the moment, but we will search for your bag again. Please wait in a route for a moment.
Thanks.
Announcement, passengers who have been reported lost luggage from flight 244 from Vancouver to Tokyo. Right now, our staff have found your luggage. Please contact the lost and found center, please. That's us. Okay, madam, here your luggage. Luggage with the pink one and red sticker here, right?
Oh, that's fine. That's my luggage. I'm very thankful.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy your flight.